Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our English speaking course. Today, we are diving into the world of practical pronunciation, focusing on mastering some of the most challenging sounds in English. I am here, you can write your name. I am Ayodhya. I am here to guide you through tips and exercises to your English level or improve your pronunciation. Let's start. Let's tackle some common consonant challenges. The th sound often trips learners up. Practice words like this, that, and thing to perfect the voiced and voiceless th sounds. Repeat after me. This is a great tip. Now, see the next one, vowel consonants. Moving on to vowel sounds, the short E and long E sounds can be tricky. Pronounce or practice with words like ship and ship. Repeat, the ship is deep in the sea. The next point, silent letters. Now, let's address silent letters. Take the word night or wrist as an example. Pronounce them without the silent letters night and wrist. This helps you sound more natural without the first letter. The next point is that diphthongs. Diphthongs are combination of vowel sounds within the same syllable. Practice with words like coin or loud. Repeat, I found a coin in the loud crowd. Then the next point, stress and intonation. Understanding stress and intonation is very crucial. Emphasize the right syllables and vary your pitch. For example, I didn't say she stole my money can have 7 or different meanings based on the emphasized word. Practice exercise minimal pairs drill. Now let's do a practical exercise. I will give you pairs of words that differ only in one sound. Repeat after me and pay attention to the subtle differences. First pair, sheep and sheep. Here, after that, I conclude with that great job. Learners, remember, perfecting pronunciation takes practice. Consistency is key. So, practice these sounds regularly. I will see you in the next lesson on listening comprehension, understanding different accents. Feel free to rewatch this video for reinforcement. If you have specific pronunciation challenges, drop them in the comments and I will do my best to help. Stay tuned for more language tips and happy learning. This is Ayodhya Jadhav signing off. Thank you.